Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is utilize. It is pronounced U-T-Lize, and it is spelt U-T-I-L-I-S-E. Think ut, as in U-T, I-L, ill, and then eyes, I-S-E. In American, it's spelt with a Z, and in UK English, it's I-S-E. Utilize means to make practical and effective use of something. For example, you could say, the cook utilized the leftovers and made soup. The word utilize comes from the Latin utile, meaning usable. Today, if something is usable, it is not necessarily utilized. To utilize something, you do have to use it, but you also have to use it in a practical and effective way. For example, you could utilize broken branches by weaving them into baskets. In Tangled, Rapunzel utilizes her frying pan as a weapon when Flynn Rider breaks into her tower. She uses the kitchen pan in a practical and effective way, allowing her to capture him. Can you think of any other similar examples? Utilize is a verb and therefore a doing or action word. For example, you could say, the school utilized the empty classroom and turned it into a cinema room. Utilize is defined in the dictionary as to use something in an effective way. Utilize's synonyms include apply, appropriate, employ, exploit, and handle. Antonyms include misuse, cease, halt, hinder, and impede. See if you can utilize your time effectively today. Try to make practical and effective use of your day. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Impress your family and friends by using your new word, utilize. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.